faso age why encounter medical emergency na wo be hu se de mpanimfo ka no ne kwan so no se John minji ndi se obi be sori anopa na wodware akona adwuma na wo decide say okay menye adwuma na especially professional health and health professionals na wa sorry adware akọ adwuma say o da bi ye the case ba menje Sir John unim say Ghana o 16 regions Confanochi teaching hospital enu kwa ehwe 12 out of the 16 regions 12 enti 4 na aka no na ebi akonkran tamale nso etimi afebi okọ akran na Kwame Frimpong kan omo sa facilities ibe because okọ at least kolebu na ankasa no ogboro no ho your 37 military hospital your UGMC your Bank of Ghana hospital your regional hospital reach at least wo de yenyi de aka no ensinchen wo na emfa 5 wo enku a enti se yemfa nse regions 4 na aka no kra na Greater Accra fasa regions 4 na it means ye betimi achichama hospital 5 akesie na kolebu kra be for 2 regions na de aka no be for 1 omusan wa additional hospital so enti se ye ka Confanochi asem na eye ebi mu se ase ye exaggerate asem na se John say uyo obi a otako Confanochi every single day thousands of patients and omo ba ebi ba na omo akofi ebi mu nso ba na omo akaw ena ukọ accident and emergency Sir John ideally nanka ward na o kan minimum orange ward ye any red ward any yellow ward I was say nanka oba na ehwe o kakra na yedo akọ one of the wards Sir John oba emergency ono reception wana wo nanka wo be wura mu abeye inquiry sa ohon nso adane ward because e was a management improvise enti o ma kofifa bed ama o adane ward ankasa ye treat ebi mu ho ubeba no ho na aboma na ambulance gu enimo na ebi enti se de o ka no ye hu de si na anu chase misa de our hospital almost omunje no okọ you see
omunya baby cry
system you know
omunya baby refer no
enu cry or refer yes so refer no onzo okọ odun so ayema
ehompo cry no
onzo yes ayema and sometimes we may blame health professionals and say ye buy or man hwe true also make attempt but Sir John say ye do over time onzo no already Ninsa ewo emergencies ni bia o attend to a obeje no abe attend to dem se jo na wo kan afare ye wi ebeboa se wua ebeboa onim se afare na wo kan o se 500 bed o se we are 250 bed onim KNUST teaching hospital 800 bed capacity teaching hospital 800 Sir John 800 na ye kanu se kan in terms of bed capacity ananka be chan afare every single for the past years Sir John me share say cover KNUST congregation omo say for the past be 8 years every single congregation otumfo eka ho asem epa ho acho se osro omonye na Uncomplete fine ejuma na iko baabi ba Sir John pace na eko na wo form Sir John pace ni wo form eni etimi wie sa KNUST teaching hospital ya teaching hospital ye wi na chese Confanochi ni pressure so beba form kra entimi nko ye because ye nya bebre ba beba form ena be san aboa ma doctors are yesi e wo shortage ni e betimi atete mo enso Sir John, what are we doing? Me or man you be etina baby ka say ye niska. Me I'll argue because your baby is sky kwashisha eko waster nanka yetimi esoso saa ohono ano kwan a ye betimi a channel sika no akọ baby a yo say Sir John agenda 111 say na ewo kroma. And some of these you see confirmation on the entire eya ho ye ma no your cases be or ideally Sir John enu kwan say ekọ confirmation because we confirmation pedigree as teaching hospital na nanka specialized cases and e wo say ekọ by or minor cases ananka yetimi we some of these hospitals na ye can even agenda 111 and now even hospitals what the various districts you know yetimi resource wo mu ya nanka those cases eni kwan say end up confirmation
agenda 111 na omunim omo share project na so omunim so omunwie
Sir John ene de me see
na omunim
Sir John me gina ona ye kati sword no me na me cover when the president of the republic the former president Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo kasa o ka say omudi I think o ka so the 21 months or so ebe wie hospitals ni na me enye say Sir John project na ye be no ye ina no ye mambofo ye mpese ebe koso but me I told my cameraman that day me ne Victor ne kokova I say Victor project we ye ntimi wie within the time frame ye say okay ye 5 ye di kan ye 5 and e ma ye hu sam mre di anka I will not doubt it but say ye wie sa 111 hospital within that time frame make us oh Ibrahim omune so omu scan go ye na me say enye say ni o we live in this country ye nim de ekoso enim ye nim how ye politics eko ye she be hu project bi a ye kati so da ya ka kire say scan ni ye ko ye be ko pesika e de ewie da every single project on be ka kire say scanner ye ready but ye sha say after few months Sir John na ejai ejuma na yen cat a good project Sir John agenda say benya say every single district in this country ewo hospital facility are well resourced. Sir John one of the best policies, one of the best ideas obia bepa say ebebaso but you see you look at your strength and in kano okay let's move to 1 yetimi then we go to 2 na ye 3 na ye ko you don't start everything at the same time abra unim say scanning niwa obetimi de awie that is our problem in this country and ebasana na ye waste public resource Sir John I say market ya woman pontin onu say market na share
Jubilee market
next guy ye budget is the be we na was around 8 million Ghana cedis or so Sir John as we speak some market na ka say be we aside say ye si bebre no kra no ye ka say still ye be we the last time ye kan no omu ka say omu hia be ebedru be 63 million Ghana cedis e de we ade ananka ye di 8 ebe yo that is how we waste public
and I wouldn't sika pay research
can you STDA American ya shares here way back 2007 or so yes scan na pese ye de be years our project o man pay ni ko for ekate so scan na ye de be wiem and we are looking at times 10 says cano e de wie sa project no and all because planning of ye nanka okay ye planning ye e pay hu sika gu okay sa time no e be use 30 million Ghana cedis ya planning their tour na ye dey complete before we initiate another project say you nanka ye wie but we keep cutting short for new projects. Abra existing ones, old ones.
24-hour economy market. Me focus bao because I had dream. Ye per research I no. Sika ye de a varied based on say location near there, but a range between 33 million Ghana cedis per project. Ibrahim, 31 between 31 and then 33 million Ghana cedis. You get it? Enti Omani be spending almost 9 billion. Almost 9 billion. Enti say wo hwe we na say de wo kan. NDC munim pa say muwie Mampontin Jubilee market no a ebe bo ankrof manfo wo ho pa say mpanifo wo kroma regional minister Zuba ne mo amaka munim you know say no kwase munie Crofro market se mujia asanteman eni beso munim se phase 2 mujia asanteman eni beso enti ade na ye science a national project enti no e wo se nyina no ye accept to do it like that ade no say any sir
but
go somewhere and see.
And some of these projects, you say, yeah, share second phase of KJT.